Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will revise unit number 1 exercise question number 4 part 1. Define the following terms: data communication, cellular communication, satellite communication and fiber optic cable. Definition of data communication is on page number 2. Students, data communication refers to the exchange of data between a source and a receiver using a transmission media. These sources and receivers are basically computers, so sharing of data among computers is data communication. Data communication has increased the use of computers beyond the computer room. Now computers are used in different fields of life for data sharing. Due to data communication, we can send and receive data and information from one computer to other computers. Cellular communication is on page number 13. Cellular communication is a type of communication that enables the use of cell phones. Cellular communication is basically a two-way radio communication in which data is transmitted and received. This communication is possible over a land area called cell. In each cell, there is one fixed location known as cell site or base station. This fixed location transmits and receives data. In order to provide the communication coverage over a wide geographic area, these cells are joined together. After the joining of cells, the cellular communication system offers communication services to thousands of cell phone users. For example, cell phone users can make phone calls, can send or receive messages. Satellite communication is on page number 14. Satellite communication is a cutting-edge technology in which satellites are the main objects. These satellites are launched in Earth orbit to provide the telecommunication links or to provide the communication services, so they are also called the communication satellites. In this satellite communication, there is no physical connection between the sender and receiver. These satellites provide the telecommunication links for television, internet and military applications between different places across the globe. Next is fiber optic cable on page number 12. Fiber optic cable is a type of physical transmission media. It uses glass or plastic threads to transmit data from one place to another place. It consists of a bundle of glass or plastic threads in which data is transmitted in the form of light waves. In fiber optic cable, there is a center glass core or plastic core surrounded by protective materials such as cladding. Students, cladding is done for thermal insulation and buffer coating. Buffer coating is done to avoid any physical damage.